Hello, everyone. One of the main problems that we are trying to solve for Wavefront customers is to help them get visibility into how Wavefront is being consumed internally within their organization. And one of the ways in which you can achieve that is through ingestion policies. Ingestion policies are a logical mapping of the set of accounts that will be using Wavefront for a specific project or an environment or a service that you would be monitoring using Wavefront. So for example, here I have set up a policy that relates to a specific project that I have internally established within my organization for which I'm using Wavefront for monitoring. And the set of accounts that will be using Wavefront are identified here, the users as well as service accounts. So once I have established this mapping, the next thing I need to do is to go to the usage dashboard, which will help me get the breakdown through various charts. So the first chart shows me how Wavefront is being used over time. And then the other charts show me how Wavefront is being consumed by various ingestion policies or by accounts, by the source of ingestion, whether it's through tokens or through proxies, and what type of data is being ingested, whether it's metrics, traces, or histograms. So here I can observe that the autonomous vehicle project and the ingestion policy, autonomous vehicle ingestion policy, is ingesting the most data. So I can apply this filter. And therein I can observe that the user 2 is ingesting the most data out of all the accounts that relate to this specific policy, which in turn relates to the project internally in my organization. So once I have made that association, I can then export the data in a PDF or CSV format. And this is how the PDF report looks like. And this is how the CSV report looks like. So just as a summary, in this video, I had walked you through how you can set up ingestion policies that relate to the different things that you're trying to monitor internally in your organization using Wavefront, and how you can track usage of Wavefront using the usage reporting dashboard, and how you can export the data through the different functionalities. Thank you for watching.